The ETRONIK 21-inch rolling duffel bag combines functionality with style, featuring a durable aluminum alloy rod and anti-skid rubber wheels for smooth maneuverability during travel. Its spacious interior with a 42-liter capacity makes it perfect for family trips or excursions lasting 2 to 4 days, providing ample room for all your essentials. A dedicated shoe compartment allows you to keep your footwear separate from clean clothes, with additional shoe bags provided for added convenience and organization. Designed to comply with flight regulations, this carry-on bag fits seamlessly in overhead compartments, offering multiple pockets for easy access to important items like phones and passports. The inclusion of a waterproof PVC-lined pocket is ideal for storing wet clothes or towels, ensuring that your belongings remain dry and organized throughout your journey. Crafted from water-resistant nylon, this versatile bag can be carried in various ways, making it suitable for a wide range of activities, from gym visits to weekend getaways.